Hi everyone, so today I'm super excited to share with you some of these new collections that Hero Arts has launched on their site. I have the Beary Sweet collection, or some items from that I should say, because they have quite a few items in the collection. Really, really cute. And I want to show you real quick, I have Friends with Flair, but we'll talk about that in just a moment, because today we're going to focus on this one. But I just wanted to let you know I do have both collections, and I think they're both amazing, so they'll probably fly out. I don't know. It seems like that's what happens there at Hero Arts. So I will say they did send these items free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And the links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So down in the description box, if you click on show more or expand the description box, you'll see the links there. Just like anybody who has, recipes or social media links, all those things are always in the description box. So it's a good thing to know where that is, because I do get that question quite often. And they're like, where's the description box? Or I don't see it, but it's usually right under the video. And so Beary Sweet is super cute. I'm going to talk about that in just a moment. I just want to show you the Friends with Flair, as you might think. I don't know if you remember what movie is that when you have to have 30 pieces of flair or whatever it is on their suspenders. Older movie. This is like a jean jacket kind of thing, and it comes with, to make the jacket really nicely, there's like a stencil to make like a stenciled jean jacket. There are other pieces of this collection too, but these are the ones that I had chosen to work with. The cute little things that make it look like buttons or maybe patches. I mean, how cute would that be to cut these out of felt? Look at the little scissors, like just the things you might like, just cute little Beary, I love you, there are sports icons on here and stuff. Really, really cute. There's the sentiment here, which is a photopolymer stamp set with the dies that cut everything out that you see here. You're gonna have dies to cut all those things too. And then the suspenders, which I just thought was super cute. And then it comes with 3 different collars, which is really fun. It has a bow tie. Just a lot you can do with this. And of course, mixing and matching with the little buttons and sentiments and things. But I wanted to show you that, so we will follow up with that. But today, for the launch, I'm going to try out the Beary Sweet collection. I believe it's by Hero Arts and Carly T, I want to say. And it is super cute. Okay, so we have this guy. To me, this is the main character, we have our big gummy bear here, basically. And I'll give you a measurement on him. How cute would this be for a shaped card? I mean, whatever you want. I think this overlays over this. I don't know that this one's bigger, but let me give you a measure. So it's like 4 3/4 inches. Yeah, I guess we can find that out in just a moment. But there you go. And the other direction, it's just over 3 inches. Yeah, they're about the same there. Cute size. A bunch of little guys, right? Oh, look at this little guy. He looks like he's dipped, right? So you have this background piece and then him. So it looks like he's dipped in chocolate or whatever you want to dip him in. It's generally chocolate. A smaller guy. He's super cute. Again, they just have different things going on. So this one doesn't have like the little accents. This one does have little accents on him. You have a heart. And I don't know if you can tell, this bear, the little face, all these pieces do cut in, right? So it's like an actual cut line. And then you have the little facial feature, so that's here. He can hold this heart. Even the little guy can hold a little heart. You have these accent pieces that I believe go around like in here just to make it look like it's shiny, right? So that's really fun. I do not have images to show you here as far as like the packaging, because again, I get samples, they look like this. Yours are gonna be well packaged, nicely packaged like this kind of thing, right? Ready to go. But I have these guys, so I'm gonna use my imagination on these. So really cute. I think we're gonna focus on this guy today. Obviously add a sentiment. Maybe we pop some of these guys on there as accents, but how cute are these little guys? So we have tiny bears, and they are tiny bears, and it says perfect for shaker cards too, put them on your cards and scrapbooks, because they're very low profile. Okay, you can see them, like, look how thin that is. I mean, I wouldn't say, it's not a 1/4 inch, it's less than that, but maybe an 1/8, maybe an 1/8 of an inch thick, yeah. So really cute, all the colors that are in there, adorable. And then the sentiments, so photopolymer sentiment here. Smells so good, with big hugs, and it's big. And then all these cute things like sending big paper, hugs from me to you. Of course, these kind of things kind of can go around the little bears. It'll look really cute, or wherever you want to place them. Sending love and big hugs, just for you. Sending healing hugs, to a good human. I'll leave this paused here, or leave that there so you can pause and read everything. Big squishy, that's funny. And then you have the dies that can do big hugs just on their own. I don't know if they match up with this, but let's see if I can. Yeah, it looks like you can stamp it, cut it and layer it, okay, if you want, or just cut this word out with this. It looks like, yeah, they look like they match up perfectly. So there you go. Very cute. So what I'm gonna do is grab, you know, card base, some fun paper to start with, a cute color for our gummy bear, and just go from there. So I just grabbed some like juicy, you know, cardstock and papers and things. So standard A2 size card base here, so 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. And then this guy, I think I'll cut the gummy bear out with. If I need a background piece of this other guy, I will check that out, but I don't know that I need that. We'll see. But for now, I'm gonna use this, cut this guy out of this bright pink paper. Another thing with the stamps, I mean, Hero Watch just does things so that there's so many possibilities, right? So with this guy, all these little kind of curved things can also just be stamped like around, you know, like the letter D here, or, you know, finishing off with this here, or around the S. I know it's hard to show you that, but like, you know, so sending birthday hugs, right? So sending birthday can be around here, and then hugs, right? Or, you know, to a good human can finish it off here. Like, there's just a lot of ways of using this. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying there. And then I just grabbed this juicy paper. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't even realize, like, I just thought it looked candy stripe-ish, like, what's that one? Fruit stripe gum kind of thing. I'm just gonna cut this to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have this little cutie here. Yeah, pretty delicate the way it cuts around those, and that's kind of what I was wondering, if I do need a, you know, background piece. I think that's okay. If you want, you know, you have this guy, you can cut it out, you know, the color that coordinates, or the same color, you know. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna put this back down right here. We'll focus on some of these other things in a moment. And then I'm just thinking about how I wanna do this, because we have in there, you know, have the words big hugs. You can do the letters separately. You can do them, you know, layered up on here. You can do the stamping. I don't know if I have a lot of room for stamping on this, so let me glue this down. I'm also going to run through these accent pieces. I was debating if I should run it through like a lighter pink, because the gummy bear is kind of clear. I mean, you can do black. I don't know. I'll do both. Let me do the light pink. If it looks funny, I'll do black. Okay, so I'll be right back. So we have this cutie. Oh, I love it. And then let's see if the pink looks okay. I think it will, because to me, you know, again, keeping it candy color, just one with a lighter pink, that's cute. And then while I'm here, I don't exactly know where these go, where all these go, but I know they are all accents. So I'm gonna pop all these out and just run them through white paper. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, I haven't stuck anything down, but I do want to show you, like, these two came from this larger, these two came from this kind of a little bit smaller, medium size, and then these three came from this guy. So let's go ahead and glue the eyes and things down, so we're done with that. And then I'll kind of see where I think these other bits might go. I'm assuming some go like on the little arms, you know, on one side, because that's generally how I do it if it's a highlight or whatever. But we will see. So let's see. Okay, so like I said, these are a little bit larger. So I think this looks bigger than the foot area. I don't know. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, let me hold on to that. And then maybe this goes here. That's kind of small. I feel like this goes up here because it's a little bit bigger. Or maybe even in the ear, right? Wherever you want, but I think maybe there. And then this guy, maybe both these go here. Maybe this is a little ear one, you know? I think you're just gonna place them wherever you feel like. In this case, oopsie. Yeah, I'm not gonna put one there, but now I'm changing my mind a little bit because I'm thinking maybe they go like this, right? Because the lights come in. This one's a little bit bigger, like I was saying. Maybe those go there to make them look shiny. I still have these last two, which I assume are gonna be like ear or around here even, right? It's whatever you want. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, that's where I'm gonna put them. It's that easy, guys. Again, you'll have instruction on, you know, or inspo at least, so you can kind of see where things are supposed to go. I think it looks pretty good to me. Or the only one I'm debating is this, if I should switch it out. Put the smaller one at the top, but that's all right. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little glue like you're seeing me do, and then place the little piece back down, and I will be right back. Okay, I think that looks really cute. I will say it's possible that some of these little lines also go on the heart, right? To make the heart look gummy also, but I do have one left, so maybe I'll pop that on the heart. I'm gonna go ahead and run this through probably some red paper, and I'll be right back. Okay, there's a little heart, and again, this stuff opens up so you can hold a little heart. Oh, I should bring it in this way. Be a little more gentle about it. How cute is that? And like I said, if you want the heart to be also a little shiny, maybe we can put a little gummy bear holding a gummy heart. Okay, cute. Haven't stuck it down yet because I have, you know, we have big hugs. I don't know that they both fit, so maybe just hugs. Maybe put him down here and just play with the lettering. Okay, I'm gonna run this through a cute color and then I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, so cute. I just ran it through some glittery paper, white glitter. I think that looks really fun, so it's like sugary, you know. So let's play with this. I just want to see the best sizing, size-wise, where this might go. Aww. That might be good. And then it's just kind of in the background. Maybe we'll pick this up. I'm not sure. I was just going to glue it straight down, to be honest. That looks really cute. Again, do you want it to be perfectly shaped or just kind of fun and random? But I'll put the H there. And then the S over here. And then everything else can kind of be distributed between that in a fun way. That looks pretty good. Okay. If you're not sure, you can use a glue that doesn't dry fast, so you can still kind of manipulate it a little bit. Cute. If you guys would like to see a shaped card from this, let me know, and I'll do that in a separate video. I think it'll be really cute. So I'm just putting that in there kind of randomly. And then our little guy, again, glue it down, don't glue it down. I feel like he has a little dimension with the way he's holding the heart. I didn't even glue the heart in. Very cute. I'm just gonna put glue around here. Boop, boop, boop. And then we'll finish it off with a few of the little other pieces. And this guy doesn't have to be straight like that. You know, if you want to put him in a little angle, that'd be very cute too, right? I didn't think about that. Maybe a little bit. Maybe just a little bit fun like this. Okay. I'll hold that down. I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm just going to glue it down with the same glue I've been using here. You know, whatever you want to glue it down with. I feel like I don't want to destroy this package. Sorry. I'm going to pick up these little guys carefully and just open it up. I'll be right back. Just open that up nicely, carefully. I'm just going to pop a couple of these guys out. And like I said, I'm just going to use this glue. And I know this glue just kind of holds on. How cute is that? Really well. And it dries pretty clear. So I'm just really coating it with the glue. That way, you know, however it dries, it'll be around the whole thing instead of just like little dots that might show up later, right? So the whole thing is covered the same way. Ooh, look at this pink. It's almost like the same color. I'm going to use a purple and maybe a blue just to have some different colors on here. Oh my goodness. So cute. And like I said, maybe this little blue one over here. These are adorable. Okay, guys, and then like I said, keep an eye out for a follow-up with the Friends with Flair, of course. I just showed it to you right quick. We didn't do anything with it today. And let me know if you want to see a shaped card. I think that'll be really fun. We can do that. Look at that. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'll have the links down there for you guys. Again, the new collections just launched. If you are a current club member, you do get of the My Monthly Hero or the Superhero, you get your percentage off that goes with each type of membership there, current membership. And I'll have the links for you and images coming up, and I'll see you all at the next one. This is super cute. Bye now.